You start slow. Sometimes your sleep actually gets worse before it gets better. But after a month, if you're consistent, you will see a big difference, and it will make a tremendous impact on your health and well-being. Well, for many patients, when I first see a patient who's having difficulty with sleep, instead of going to the sleeping pills first, what I try to encourage them to do is get some of the over-the-counter supplements that are available. And the reason why I like doing that is because it becomes part of a plan that I put in place for patients, and I know that they're not going to get addicted to these medications. We're not going to see the side effects that you typically see with your over-the-counter sleeping pills that have antihistamines or your prescription medications. And it's something that they can use along with, again, a plan that includes, a regular routine, same time to bed, same wake-up time, making sure you're getting the right amount of sleep. And you want to create a relaxing bedtime routine, and taking those natural substances, 1 or 2 hours before as part of a relaxing bedtime routine. Believe it or not, it sounds like it wouldn't be helpful, but it really can make a difference. And what I will tell patients, I'll forewarn them, after years of bad habits and coping with your day in a way that really sacrifices your sleep, you'll find it's like exercise. If you've never exercised before, as you start to exercise, you may not feel so great in the beginning, but it will make a difference for you. And same thing with sleep. So you start slow. Sometimes your sleep actually gets worse before it gets better. But after a month, if you're consistent, you will see a big difference, and it will make a tremendous impact on your health and well-being. So when I'm putting together a plan for a patient who comes to me who's having problems with sleep, one of the recommendations I will make is, get over-the-counter melatonin. And you can use melatonin, and what melatonin actually does is help to reset the clock. So unfortunately, many of us are not keeping a regular schedule. It's great for people who are travelers, people who have erratic schedules, to help get their clock back in sync so that they can fall asleep at night. So melatonin really is a good one to use. And then there's some other over-the-counter substances. There's some that use passion flower extract, which is a mild natural substance that can help create sedation that will help you sleep at night. Another really good one to use, believe it or not, is very common for people to have difficulty with muscle cramps, and we have a problem sometimes with a disorder called restless leg syndrome, and the other fancy name, periodic limb movements of sleep. And we tend to see these muscle cramps and problems, especially in women who are pregnant. What a lot of people don't realize is that can be from a calcium or magnesium deficiency. So you can get over-the-counter calcium, magnesium, 600 milligrams of calcium, 400 milligrams of magnesium. That can help. Another thing that people can experience is pain. When you're not sleeping well at night, it actually increases your sensitivity to pain. So doing things that will help decrease the pain can help you stabilize your sleep at night, and simply taking 2 baby aspirin combined with another natural substance called 5-HTP. 5-HTP is converted into serotonin. Serotonin is a very important neurotransmitter. It's very important for good quality sleep. Not only is serotonin good for sleep, it also helps to decrease the sensitivity to pain. So you can use aspirin and 5-HTP if you're having difficulty with pain at night. You could try it and see if that helps.